Polynomials. Already we discussed about polynomial, division of polynomial, division algorithm of polynomial, remainder theorem and factor theorem related to polynomials, and synthetic division, Horner's process of polynomials. All these things we covered in the previous classes, and specifically in the last class we discussed about the way of expressing one polynomial in terms of some other linear factor using synthetic division process. Okay, so in the same way I have another question which I mentioned as 9a. We need to express this polynomial as a polynomial in x plus y. Similar type of question already we discussed in the previous class, and again now I am starting with the same question, same model question. Okay, so you just have a look. This x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 80 is a polynomial, and we need to find a polynomial which is equivalent with this. Okay, I am going to find a polynomial which is equivalent to this, but that should be in terms of x plus y. That's what we need to find. Okay, so you just have a look. To find that, we need to use synthetic division process. Already we discussed in the previous video. In the same way, you just start with the coefficients of the given one. 1, 2, 1, 8, 0. X cube coefficient, x square coefficient, x coefficient and the constant. Since we are trying to express it as a polynomial in x plus y, x plus 5, so you need to complete this synthetic division process with minus 5. And we know in that process we need to start with 0 here. So add column wise. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. And 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 5 is 15. And then 15 plus 1 is 16. So 16 into minus 5 is minus 80. So 80 minus 80 is 0. So the remainder is 0 here. Okay, you just have a look. That's the first step of the synthetic division. And the next step, since we need to convert completely the given polynomial as a polynomial in x plus y, we need to simplify. We need to do further steps with same minus 5. And now minus 5, you just start with 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. And then minus 8 and then minus 5 is 40. 40 and 16 is simply 56, and this 56 is remainder in the second step of division. Again you just continue with minus 5. So minus 5, you just start with 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Minus 8 minus 5 minus 13 is remainder in this case. So now for each and every step of synthetic division, here we have, this is first step of division, this is second step of division, this is third step of division, and at the end the fourth step. For each and every step of division, if you express the statement of division algorithm, that will directly convert the given polynomial as a polynomial in x plus y, which I expressed in the previous class. But now here directly I will write it. Okay, so how to write directly? For suppose if you treat the given polynomial p of x as x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 8, this polynomial is directly equals to, this is the constant of the result. Okay, actually, so I need to write it like this: 0 plus this 56. Okay, 56 into x plus 5, and then minus 13 into x plus 5 whole square, and then plus x plus 5 whole cube. You just think about it. X plus 5 whole cube minus 13 x plus 5 whole square plus 56 into x plus 5 plus 0. This polynomial is directly equal to this. Both are same. This x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 80 is same as this x plus 5 whole cube minus 13 x plus 5 whole square plus 56 into x plus 5. Okay, this is the way of converting the given polynomial as a polynomial in x plus 5. Okay, so how to confirm whether these two are exactly equivalent or not? You just check with some values. You just replace x with 0. If you replace x with 0 in a given polynomial, you will get your answer as 80. Similarly, replace x with 0 here. If you replace x with 0 here, again you will get your answer as 8080 only. Okay, just check it. If you replace x with 0, 5 cube is how much? 125. X with 0. Minus 13 5 is how much? 65. 125 minus 65. Okay, you just have that value aside. And then here what it is? 56 into x plus 5. So this is x plus 5 whole square, right? So if you replace x with 0 here, what will happen? Just for convenience, just for checking, I am just explaining for you, okay? Replace any value in the place of x. You just take that value either in this polynomial or in this polynomial. Both will give you same answer. And that's why we are saying these two are equivalent. But that is in terms of x, this is in terms of x plus 5. As a check, what I said, you just replace x with 0. If you replace x with 0, this first polynomial directly gives you 80. Replace x with 0 in the second one. If you replace x with 0 here, what will happen? If it is 0, 56 into 5. If it is 0, minus 13 into 25. Plus if it is 0, 5 cube is 125. You just simplify it. Again you will get same 80 as your answer. That means at the end what we will conclude is these two polynomials are equal. Not only for x is equals to 0. You just take x is equals to 17 for suppose. Okay, if you place x is equal to 17, 1 7 in this polynomial, it will give you a somewhat bigger value. And in the same way, if you replace same 17 here, you will get the same answer. For every real value of x, these two polynomials give same polynomial values, and that's why we are calling these two are equivalent. But this is in terms of x and this is in terms of x plus 5. See, all this explanation is just for our convenience and for our understanding. But the answer for the question is, we need to express the given polynomial as a polynomial in x plus 5. To express the given one as a polynomial in x plus 5, you just do synthetic division process like this, and then your answer is simply this 0 plus 56 into x plus 5 minus 13 into x plus 5 whole square plus 1 into x plus 5 whole cube. This way of expression, this way of expressing a polynomial as a polynomial in some linear factor is very helpful in solving different problems. You just have a look, and then we need to think about 9b. Okay, so to think about 9b, you need to get one understanding from this 9a. What it is? These two are equivalent. These two are equals to p of x only. This polynomial is p of x. So this is also p of x, but in terms of x plus 5. But in terms of x plus 5. But whereas for 9b, they are asking p of x minus 2. They are not asking to convert or to find equivalent polynomial for p of x. They are not asking to find equivalent polynomial for p of x. They are asking to find some other polynomial which is p of x minus 2. Okay, right. So how to find p of x minus 2? I am just erasing this. You just have a screenshot. Now, to find p of x minus 2, what we need to do? So one way is, see, p of x is this particular polynomial. One way of finding p of x minus 2 is simply replacing x with x minus 2. If you replace x with x minus 2, what will happen? 2 into x minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into x minus 2 whole square plus 1. This is actually p of x minus 2. Okay, you just try to simplify it. Okay, this is cubic. Since it is cubic, it is bit comfortable in solving in such a way. But if it is not cubic, if it is of more degree, then finding p of x minus 2 is bit complicated in this way. But I will explain you using synthetic division. That way just helps us to solve in a simple manner. First of all, you just try to simplify this. Okay, what will happen? So 2 into x cube minus 3a, okay, what will it say? Minus 3ab square. So 4 3s is 12. 12x square plus 2 3s is 6. Yeah, what I need to say? X cube minus 3a square b. Okay, so then 6x square plus 4 3s is 12x minus 8. Minus 3 into x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1. You just try to simplify. If you simplify, what will happen? See, 2x cube and then minus 12x square minus 3x square is minus 15x square. And then coming to x, 2 into 12, 24x minus, okay, plus 12. 24 plus 12 is 36x. Then think about constant. Minus 16, okay, and then minus 3 minus 4 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 is minus 12. Minus 16 minus 12 is minus 28 plus 1 is minus 27. So p of x is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 1. P of x minus 2 is equals to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x minus 27 is p of x minus 2. This is simple way and you just treat it as method 1. But if the degree of this x is bit more, like 7, 10, 12 like that, then using this process is bit complicated. Then we need to use synthetic division. How to solve using synthetic division? That's what I will express. Method 2 you may say. So in method 2, first of all, we need p of x minus 2. First of all, what I do is, I will find p of x, okay? I will find p of x, but in terms of x plus 2 I will find. I will find same p of x, but in terms of x plus 2. And then I will try to find p of x minus 2. So to find p of x in terms of x plus 2, you just take these coefficients 2, minus 3, since x is not there 0 and the constant is 1. And since we are dividing with x plus 2, take minus 2 here. Since here it is minus 2, how to proceed? 0. You just start with 0 here. So you just solve. Add column wise, 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. And minus 7 into minus 2 is plus 14. 0 plus 14 is 14. 14 into minus 2 is minus 28. And 1 minus 28 is minus 27. This is the constant. Again do with minus 2. If you again do with minus 2, 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. Minus 11 minus 2 is 22. And 22 plus 14 is 36. This time here it is 36. Again do with minus 2. 0. You will get 2 here. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 11 minus 4 is minus 15. So minus 27, 36, minus 15 and 2. Using this we will express same p of x in terms of x plus 2. So what I do is, therefore from synthetic division, p of x is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 1. The same thing is equals to, using this how can we express? As I said, from there you need to start, okay? Yeah, the same thing is equals to 2 into x plus 2 whole cube minus 15 into x plus 2 whole square. You just try to understand the thing what I am going to convey for you, okay? Plus 36 into x plus 2 minus 27. This is p of x only, but our target is to find p of x plus x minus 2. Now P of x minus 2. So to find P of x minus 2, replace x with x minus 2. In this place of x, since we are replacing x minus 2, this is the part of simplification. Now you just replace x minus 2 in this place of x. So how it will become? If you replace x with x minus 2, how it will become? This is equals to 2 into replace x with x minus 2. X minus 2 plus 2 whole cube minus 15 into replace x with this x minus 2. X minus 2 plus 2 whole square likewise. And now when you simplify, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You get 2x cube. Here again 2 and 2 gets cancelled. You get minus 15x square plus 36x minus 27, and this is your P of x minus 2. Okay, when you observe these two methods, this is it looks very simple. It looks very simple, and it is very simple only if the degree is smaller. If the degree is somewhat power 7, power 8, power 9 or like 10, then how can you calculate x minus 2 to the power 10? It is bit complicated. Then in that situation, if you solve in this method, directly these values will represent the coefficients of the required polynomial. You need to analyze it, okay? See, just observing and then memorizing is not enough. You need to analyze the question, okay? Have a look.